Nothing kickstarts a day quite like a fresh glass of orange juice. This Elite Gourmet ETS623 BPA-free electric citrus juicer promises to deliver just that, with its compact design, user-friendly features, and efficient juicing capabilities. In this detailed review, we'll explore every aspect of this juicer, from its build and performance to its ease of use and cleaning. The Elite Gourmet ETS623 electric citrus juicer combines aesthetic appeal with functional design. The sleek black and stainless steel finish adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen. Despite its compact size, this juicer is designed to handle large volumes of citrus juice. The 24-ounce, 3-cup capacity is ideal for making multiple servings, whether you're juicing for yourself or the whole family. Constructed from BPA-free materials, this juicer prioritizes safety and health. The build quality feels robust, ensuring that the juicer will withstand regular use. Its compact and lightweight nature makes it a perfect addition to small kitchens, dorms, first apartments, or even for use in RVs and campers. It takes up minimal counter space, making it an excellent choice for those with limited kitchen real estate. The Elite Gourmet ETS623 operates at 40 watts, which might seem modest, but it is more than sufficient for its purpose. The auto-reversing electric reamer is the star of the show here. This feature ensures that every drop of juice is extracted from the fruit. Simply press down on the fruit to start juicing and release the pressure to stop. This intuitive operation makes the juicing process quick and hassle-free. The pulp and seed strainer does an excellent job of separating the pulp from the juice, providing you with a smooth beverage. If you prefer a bit of pulp in your juice, you can adjust the amount to your liking. The strainer is effective in keeping seeds out, ensuring that your juice is free from unwanted bits. One of the key benefits of using the Elite Gourmet ETS623 is the ability to make fresh juice without any additives, extra sugar, or preservatives. Freshly squeezed juice retains all the natural vitamins, enzymes, and nutrients, providing a healthier alternative to store-bought juices. This juicer allows you to enjoy the pure taste of citrus fruits, which can significantly boost your daily intake of essential nutrients. Using the Elite Gourmet ETS623 is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward design. The auto-reversing reamer makes the process simple. Just push down to juice and release to stop. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for those who may struggle with manual juicers or more complex electric models. Using the Elite Gourmet ETS623 is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward design. The auto-reversing reamer makes the process simple. Just push down to juice and release to stop. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for those who may struggle with manual juicers or more complex electric models. The 24-ounce capacity is perfect for making multiple servings at once. The convenient pouring spout and handle built into the juicing container make it easy to serve the juice directly from the juicer. The integrated strainer and pulp collector ensure that your juice is as smooth or as pulpy as you prefer. Cleaning the Elite Gourmet ETS623 is remarkably simple. The juicer is designed for easy disassembly, with all detachable parts being dishwasher safe. This feature significantly reduces the time and effort required for cleanup. The ease of cleaning makes this juicer a practical choice for daily use, as it minimizes the hassle often associated with juicing. Safety is a priority with the Elite Gourmet ETS623. The juicer complies with ETL and FDA standards, ensuring that it meets strict safety and health regulations. The use of BPA-free plastic underscores the commitment to providing a safe and environmentally friendly product. While the Elite Gourmet ETS623 is primarily designed for citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits, its efficient design and powerful reamer make it versatile enough to handle various juicing needs. Whether you're making a quick glass of orange juice for breakfast, preparing lemonade on a hot summer day, or squeezing lime juice for a recipe, this juicer performs exceptionally well. Conclusion: the Elite Gourmet ETS623 BPA-free electric citrus juicer is a compact, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that delivers on its promise of fresh, homemade citrus juice. Its sleek design, combined with practical features like the auto-reversing reamer, adjustable pulp control, and easy cleaning, make it a standout choice for anyone looking to incorporate fresh juice into their daily routine. Whether you're a seasoned juicing enthusiast or just starting, this juicer offers excellent value for its price. It's perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, and even on-the-go lifestyles like RVing or camping. The Elite Gourmet ETS623 ensures that you can enjoy the health benefits and refreshing taste of freshly squeezed juice with minimal effort and maximum convenience. In summary, the Elite Gourmet ETS623 electric citrus juicer is a reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use appliance that makes juicing a joy rather than a chore. Its thoughtful design, combined with robust performance and ease of maintenance, make it a must-have for anyone who loves fresh citrus juice. Whether you're juicing oranges for breakfast, lemons for a refreshing drink, or limes for your favorite recipes, this juicer will exceed your expectations and become a staple in your kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe